For my final project, I am going to be presenting a product called Pearly White. A little bit about me, my name is Anna Miliak, and I am a junior sport management major, also pursuing my master's in organizational leadership, and my passion is sports. Some experience that I have been a marketing intern and a brand ambassador, both for the Pittsburgh Steelers. I have been a member of the Pittsburgh Pirates Bucko Brigade. I spent last summer as a tournament operations intern for a company called Atlantic Coast Baseball. They plan youth baseball and softball tournaments around Western Pennsylvania, Ohio, and West Virginia. And then my passion for sports really started in high school whenever I was a manager for my high school's football team, as well as a statistician for my high school's baseball team. And that is kind of what started to push me down this venture, which gets me started here. So everyone has a favorite pair of white shoes, and they are so difficult and annoying to keep clean. In high school, I had so many athletes that wanted to wear white cleats all the time, but as you can imagine, wearing white cleats on a baseball or a football field, they get really dirty. So they were always asking me to try and help them clean them and keep them clean. And then even just their turf shoes and things like that I constantly found myself cleaning white cleats for these boys and struggling so bad to get them clean and keep them clean. And then that turned into me cleaning my friends' shoes because they saw that I was able to clean cleats and things like that. So I was constantly helping people get their white shoes and cleats clean and always struggling with it. So I want everyone to always be able to have new looking shoes, and I want it to be a much easier process for everybody. So that is what pushed me to design this product. Here is a little bit of my product. I have my logo there, just a pretty simple circular logo with the shoe and a white shoe in the middle. And then the product is called Pearly White. My name is Anna Miliak. I am the founder and CEO. And then our email is there for anybody that has any questions. So our mission, Pearly White sells shoe cleaner for white shoes that is easy to use and doesn't stain. It gives you that straight out of the box look every time. Normally, whenever you're using white shoe cleaner, you're going to get that yellow stain, and our product is to help avoid that for everybody. A product that is simple and easy to use. The customer's number one problem. White shoes are hard to keep clean, and cleaning them is not an easy task. Most cleaners leave dingy yellow marks, so the shoe still doesn't look clean. If anything, sometimes I feel like people clean their shoes and then they wind up looking worse, which is just frustrating, and everybody deserves to have fresh out-of-the-box shoes every time. Our solution is to spray Pearly White cleaner on your shoes. Let it soak for 20 minutes. You can then give it a little bit of scrub. The product will foam up a little bit. Give that a little bit of a scrub in there, wipe off the cleaner, and then wash and rinse your shoes thoroughly. You can throw them in the washing machine if that's easiest, or you can just rinse them out really good. Just make sure that you thoroughly rinse them out with water. If you throw them in the washing machine, don't add any extra laundry detergent or anything. Just throw them in on a rinse cycle. Let them dry. You can stuff them with some newspaper to speed up the drying process, and then you're going to get that fresh out of the box look for your shoes. Our target customers. So we are planning to target anyone and everyone who wears white shoes. I know this is a really broad target audience. It can be anybody at all, though. That's the goal with our product, is to make it easy and convenient for those old and young that want to just have clean looking shoes. So we're going to use social media and advertisements to reach our customers, and then continue to build and maintain relationships by acknowledging feedback and engaging with our customers. We want people to know that they are being heard and that our customers really are valued, and that the idea behind our product is to have a simplified experience for our customers and to make things easier for them. So we would appreciate feedback, and we want them to know that they are appreciated and heard. So our revenue model and pricing strategy. Our Two revenue models are going to be the advertising model and the freemium model. Advertising, we are going to use social media as well as shoe stores. So we'd like to find some local shoutiques and things like that that we can partner with to get our product out there. And then along with that, using the freemium model to let people sample. So taking some of our product to local shoe stores and leaving them there for customers to sample. And then going off of that, we're going to use the value-based pricing strategy. So we'll let our customers get a sample of that product so that they can experience how simple it is to use and how well it works, so that we can start it out at a little bit of a higher price, just so that people can see that the product is kind of luxurious from a standpoint of how simple it is to use and how well it works. For social media, we're going to use Instagram and TikTok primarily. TikTok, we're going to have some videos of product demonstrations and use that for hopefully ending up having an ambassador program and letting people share their love for the product. And then kind of the same thing with Instagram. I just know that TikTok is so easy to have people share their personal experience and really vouch for the product. And I think that word of mouth is going to be something that is crucial to people wanting to try a product like this. And then the same thing with Instagram, just to kind of reach that younger audience. But then we'll also use Facebook and Twitter to have some ads and stay in touch with other pieces of our audience as well. Thank you.